Hello, good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here is our beautiful lady,
This
Frida.
is Frida.
Nice to see you, Frida. She got some questions about this 914 because it's quite complicated and popular in the market.
Yeah.
But before you didn't play this excavator,
Yeah. I haven't done.
Others, do you see this one different from other normal excavator?
Yeah, it's a right angle here. But they should be the same excavators, right?
They are same. You see arm different, yeah?
Yeah.
Here's the angle. This one almost 90 degrees.
Yeah.
This one rising, yeah?
Yes.
Because this hydraulic control is middle arm. Actually, try this knob here. This knob, you turn it, you can change the angle.
Oh, let me try.
Yeah, that's only one of the hydraulic functions.
So it has 3 hydraulic cylinders, so it's gonna be complicated.
Actually, if you're counting cylinders, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, 5, yes.
Because big
5.
arm, we have double cylinder. And we have 4-channel valve control this arm and bucket.
Oh, yeah, sounds complicated.
See this one? Do you think it's only decoration?
No, I guess it should be useful. Is it hydraulic?
If I tell you it's only decoration, do you believe?
No, I don't believe it.
Try this stick. If you move casually, turning it to switch. For example, this one.
Oh.
It's hydraulic too. That's why
that's
it's
cool.
costing much. Yeah. And
what about the legs?
Also hydraulic. This pushing
This
switch.
button.
Right? And rising all the way.
So I can raise.
Yeah, after rising, for example, you are on the mud, you rising it, it will support and can dig in more balance.
Oh.
Try moving all the stick to see how it's moving. This one. Forward, left and right, you move in same time. But this one, left and right will be rotation. If you only moving the arm digging, don't push left and right. Try move same time how they are moving.
Sounds different.
Quickly. Only not pushing left and right, because it will suddenly swing. Yeah, that turning is
too difficult.
Later can practice more with the sand digging, you will get more familiar. Also, maybe we can raise in the arm, putting the chassis down, can try the drive.
Oh, let me try. Forward.
Yeah. Is it very easy control?
Yeah, only the chassis.
Try full speed. You will be amazed. Full ahead. Very fast, yeah. Yeah, try practice digging.
So I should put the blade down.
Better you facing the sand pile. Turn around. 对着它们，对着沙地。
怎么对？这样。
Then drive straight towards the pile. Then putting the blade down and the leg down.
And the leg here.
Right.
Also hydraulic for the legs.
It's all hydraulic. Now the bucket, because it's back, if you want to dig in, first get the bucket out, then arm down and bucket back for digging together.
Arm down.
Also bucket back.
Bucket back.
Yeah. This side is very sticky, already rising the chassis. Good. If you turn around, swing to left, you are loading to the truck. Okay, put on table.
Oh, I did it. Yeah, I did
Later
it.
we will drive a dumper here for you to practice for loading.
Yes.
Okay, let's
Okay,
get a
let me
dumper.
try again. So I should.
Buck it more out so you can crawling back take the stand. Now only taking a little. Very nice. 10 minutes practice will be expert.
Yeah, really? I don't think so. It's so difficult.
But it's more easy than driving the big real one.
Yeah, it should be. Yo. 它移动是正常的吗？
Very good. It's a full bucket. Full loading.
Yeah.
Nice. Well done.